What else have we got here? Well, we've got Livistona chinensis. Livistona chinensis seems to be able to put up with this. We're right by the sea here, so Livistona chinensis is a pretty good one. And this is another palm. Actually, it's not on the list, but I'll mention it anyway since it's here. And this is called Hyophorbe lagenicaulis. Hyophorbe lagenicaulis, and this is a species that is specifically grown because its trunk does bulge out into, and its colloquial English name is the bottle palm, right? For obvious reasons, because the whole thing is like a great bottle. Hyophorbe lagenicaulis, and this doesn't grow tall. I mean, no, they've been sitting there practically the same size. I mean, it might have grown half a meter in the last 8 years. But they're just really grown for these weird, bulging, bottle-shaped trunks, right? Hyophorbe lagenicaulis. Over here, we have a ground cover. Now, I mean, a lot of the ground covers have not made it over the 8 years. There's a long time for ground covers and shrubs to put up with a tough environment like this. But here, this is Nephrolepis hirsutula. Nephrolepis hirsutula, which is a fern. Let's have a look at the leaf there. It's quite funny sometimes. I mean, it seems to be wide at some places and narrow at the others. But anyway, it forms a very dense kind of mass like that. Personally, I think it's a marvellous thing. And it's a native, Nephrolepis hirsutula. And seems pretty tough, and it can take some shade, and it seems to be pretty happy in the sun as well. I mean, it's a really tough ground cover, and what it forms such a dense cover, that hardly any weeds can get through, which is the whole point of having a ground cover. In fact, if you do plant other little things hoping that they'll kind of pop out of this mass of greenery, they get smothered by the Nephrolepis fern. So very efficient and successful, in my personal opinion, ground cover. And here's another little tuft of it over here, look. Nephrolepis hirsutula.